Hello dear students, we are doing exercise 3. You have already learned about factors. Today we will learn prime and composite numbers. So let's start. Here we have some bottle caps. We will use these caps to get factors of 1 to 10. To get factors of 1, we will use only one bottle cap. So, factors of 1 is only 1. When we arrange bottle caps to get factors of 2, we got two rectangular shapes having 1 and 2 columns. 1 and 2 are its factors. For making factors of 3, when we arrange bottle caps, 2 columns doesn't make any rectangular or square shape. We get only 1 and 3 columns rectangular shapes. So factors of 3 are 1 and 3. For making factors of 4, we got in 1 column and 2 columns rectangular and square shape. And in 3 columns we can't get these shapes. So dear students, we have 4 columns having rectangular shapes. So factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 5. Here in 2 columns, 3 columns and 4 columns, we can't get any rectangular or square shape. Dear students, we have 2 rectangular shapes having 1 column and 5 columns. So factors of 5 are 1 and 5. For getting factors of 6, when we arrange bottle caps, look dear students, in 4 columns and 5 columns, we don't get any rectangular or square shape. We have only 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns and 6 columns rectangular shape here. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. When we arranged bottle caps to get factors of 7, dear students, look in 2 columns, 3 columns, 4, 5 and 6 columns, we don't get any rectangular or square shape. Dear students, we will take away these caps. We have only 1 and 7 columns rectangular shapes here. So factors of 7 are 1 and 7. For making factors of 8, when we arrange caps, dear students, in 3 columns, 5 columns and in 6 and 7 columns, we don't get any rectangular or square shape. So dear students, these numbers can't make factors of 8. We have 4 rectangular shapes having 1, 2, 4 and 8 columns. So, dear students, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. When we arrange bottle caps to get factors of 9, look dear students, in 2 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns, 6, 7 and 8 columns, we don't get any rectangular or square shape. So, dear students, we have 1 column, 3 columns and 9 columns, 2 rectangular and 1 square shape here. So, dear students, factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. For making factors of 10, when we arrange bottle caps in 3 columns, 4 columns, 6, 7, 8 and 9 columns, we don't get any rectangular or square shape here. So, dear students, we will take away these bottle caps from here because this number doesn't make factors of 10. We have 1, 2, 5 and 10 columns rectangular shapes here. So, factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. We got factors of 1 to 10 here. 2, 3, 5 and 7 have only 2 factors. The number which have exactly 2 factors are called prime numbers. Dear students, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 have more than 2 factors. The numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. So, students, 1 has only one factor. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Dear students, look carefully. 2, 3, 5 and 7 have only two factors. These are prime numbers because they have only two factors. 1, the number itself, as here 2, 3, 5 and 7, and second they have 1 as their factor. So we have here 2, 3, 5 and 7 as prime numbers, and this side we have more than two factors. So these numbers are composite numbers. Composite numbers always have more than two factors. 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 are composite numbers. Dear students, in your homework, do practice of factors using bottle caps or colorful buttons, and also understand the concept of prime and composite numbers. Thank you.